It is so easy to damage your skin barrier, especially if you like committing skincare adultery like me, or you have problematic skin that requires you to try different treatments to know what works best for you, which is why it is really very important to know the kind of product you are putting on your face, because so many products can cause your skin to be damaged. To know if your skin barrier is damaged, there are certain reactions that your skin will give. For example, when your skin barrier is damaged, your skin becomes so sensitized and irritated. You would notice that by that time, if you put a product on your face, it will burn. Like regular product that you've been using all this day that doesn't do anything, you suddenly start feeling sensitized. Your skin will be so irritated from the skincare products, like your skin will be so red. Also, you will notice some flakiness and dryness from your skin. That is when you start to notice that some part of your face is peeling or very very itchy. There are so many things that can cause your skin barrier to be damaged, and there are so many habits in your daily routine that might cause your skin barrier to damage. Like if it's not currently damaged, that might likely cause it to be damaged. So you need to watch this video to the end to see all of the causes and know the habits to avoid, and also how to tackle it when you have a damaged skin barrier. So to the causes of damaged skin barrier, the first one is using hot water to bathe. Like I know some people are addicted to it, but then if you are always using hot water to bathe, it's going to strip your skin of its natural moisture, because your skincare product is supposed to help your skin add moisture to your skin. If you're not using hot water daily, it's going to strip your skin of its natural moisture. So it's going to cause your skin to be very, very dry and flaky, which is not what you need, because then your skin is going to become sensitized and irritated. So that is the number one factor that can cause your skin barrier to be damaged. The second one, which is very popular, is over exfoliation. A lot of people like to use scrub, but then they don't know that over exfoliating your skin can cause your skin barrier to be damaged. Now there are different types of exfoliation. There is physical exfoliation and there is chemical exfoliation. One mistake I see a lot of people making is using physical exfoliation on their face. Physical scrub can cause micro tears on your facial skin, which is why it is really recommended to be used on your body. If you are using physical scrub on your face, it might cause your skin barrier to be damaged oh. So you really need to choose wisely, because there are chemical exfoliants that does the same job as physical scrub, and it's quite really gentle and sometimes even hydrating. We have exfoliants like mandelic acid, salicylic acid. We have anything from AHAs and BHAs. They are exfoliants that you can make use of. So you can mandelic is like the gentlest of AHAs, and you can also use salicylic acid, which is BHA, like in a very minimal percentage, which is 0.5. That is what I usually recommend, because 2% might be too much for a lot of people that can also lead to damaged skin barrier. So if you are used to using physical exfoliants, I would say go for chemical exfoliants for your face so that you don't damage your skin barrier. The third one, which is very popular, is using harsh chemicals on your face. A lot of people, when they just say, oh, this cream is working, it works for my friend, her face went from one shade to two shade, she used to be dark, now she's fair, she used to be certain way, she's this, they'll just go and buy the cream and start using it on your face, and they wonder why it is not working, or they wonder why when they use theirs it's causing their face to be red, or it's causing their face to be itchy, or it's getting them to break out more. That's because that particular product might is not even for you. It is harsh chemical. In cases like this, when your skin barrier is damaged, you're supposed to avoid actives. And examples of actives are like the family of retinoids that contains retinol, tretinoin, adapalene, and the likes of hydroquinone. I would say even vitamin C, because vitamin C is also an active ingredient. It might be irritating to a lot of people, especially if you are acne prone or you have sensitive skin. So it might cause your skin barrier to be damaged. You might get irritated from using vitamin C. Those are like the three factors that can cause your skin barrier to be damaged. And the fourth one I would say is not using enough hydrating products in your routine. A lot of people use lot of active ingredients and they don't hydrate enough. which in turn, because your skin actually really needs moisture, and most of you, when you use active products, you are not even adding enough hydration in your routine. Most of you just use cleanser, apply treatment and cream, and that is it. You will need, if it's not toner, it's an essence. If it's not an essence, a serum, something hydrating in your routine, so that when the active ingredient is doing its job, at least something is supplying hydration or moisture into your routine, so that your skin barrier is not damaged. Now let's look at the ingredients to look out for that can help you repair your damaged skin barrier. These are ingredients that you should watch out for in your skincare products, skincare ingredients that is going to help you repair your skin and give you that good, healthy, radiant skin that you have always been craving for. And the number one is ceramides. Ceramides are lipids that help repair your skin barrier. So basically, that is what ceramides does. That is the job ceramide likes to do. You need to watch out for ceramides in your skincare ingredients. Anywhere you see ceramides, know that it's going to help repair your damaged skin barrier. The second one is actually humectant, and the likes of humectant is glycerin, is urea, is high hyaluronic acid. So those three ingredients, they are very, very important for hydration. And when your skin is hydrated enough, your skin barrier is not going to be damaged, because nothing is stripping it of its moisture and everything. So you need humectants in your routine. You need to watch out for humectant in your skincare products. So glycerin, urea, high hyaluronic acid. And also there is squalene. Squalene is also very good for helping repair your damaged skin barrier. It's such a soothing ingredient that you need in your routine. There are other ingredients that you can watch out for, like peptides, like green tea, licorice roots, like vitamin B5, which is panthenol, by the way. So watch out for those 5 or 7 ingredients. That is ceramide, peptides, humectants, that's glycerin, urea, hyaluronic acid, panthenol, which is vitamin B5, and squalene. So if you have those ingredients in your routine, it's going to help repair your damaged skin barrier. Now I'm going to recommend products that you can use if your skin barrier is already damaged. It's going to make the work easier for you, because now you know products that contain all of these ingredients that you can just buy, and it's going to help your skin barrier. Because when you have damaged skin barrier, even your skincare product is not going to work for you. You are just going to notice that everything you are doing is not working. That is because your skin barrier is damaged. And unless you repair your skin barrier, you cannot really, really tackle any skin concerns that you have, maybe like acne or hyperpigmentation or blemishes, just anything. You need to repair your damaged skin barrier first. So now let's go to product recommendation. We are going to take this step by step. We are going to go from cleansers to toners to serums to moisturizer and sunscreen. So for cleansers, the first one I like to recommend to a lot of people is the Tiam Low pH Azuline Cleanser. It's really, really a gentle cleanser. It's a non-active cleanser. It contains hyaluronic acid. It contains snail mucin and squalene. So those are like 3 essential ingredients that's going to help suit your skin. It's a facial cleanser, but it's also helping your skin locking moisture. It's not stripping your skin of its natural moisture at all. It's not the type of cleanser that you will use and your skin will feel dry. No. You can also try simple moisturizing facial wash. It also contains vitamin B5, and which is panthenol, and amino acid, which is also very important for hydration. So you can try the face fat moisturizing cleanser or foaming cleanser. Face fat is actually really known for containing ceramides, and like I said, ceramides are lipids that really help repair your damaged skin barrier. So you can watch out for these 3 cleansers on the screen, and they are going to help repair your damaged skin barrier. So now let's go to toners. Although toners are optional, but I'll say if your skin barrier is damaged, you should try incorporating toners into your routine, because it's just going to help supplement extra hydration to your skin. So when it comes to toners, there are different types of toner. There are exfoliating toners, there are brightening toners, there are hydrating toners. Now what we are looking for is hydrating toners. Like you said, what your skin needs now is lots of hydration. To need an hydrating toner. That is what you should be looking for. And that hydrating toner should always contain maybe hyaluronic acid, snail mucin, squalene, panthenol, peptides. Those are things your hydrating toner should contain. So now these are like the three toners I always recommend: the annual toner, the Abib toner, and the I am from rice toner. These three toners, they are like mwah, chef kiss. They are to die for because they contain all of the essential ingredients you need. I just go for hyaluronic serums or any peptide serum. So these are like examples of hyaluronic acid. There's one from Good Molecules. There's one from The Ordinary. Peptide serum from The Ordinary that you can try. There's also one from Mary and May that you can try. So these four serums are really important in helping repair your skin barrier. So if you are really working on a low budget, you can choose to either buy a serum or a toner. It's going to help you. So you can choose either a toner or a serum depending on what you actually like. So now let's go to moisturizers, and this is what is going to help you lock in moisture so you are not losing extra moisture. And also, so moisturizer contains a lot of hydrating products that is going to help you lock into hydration that it is supplying. And when it comes to moisturizer, I like to recommend Cosrx because it's my favorite. But looking at how expensive Cosrx is now, I'll say there are also other alternatives that you can use. So if your budget can actually afford to buy Cosrx, please definitely go for it. Cosrx all in one um cream. Then you can try this story then soothing cream too. From soothing, you already know it's like taking a cold shower, right? It's going to help with your skin and help lock in that hydration. Also, rest hyaluronic cream. You guys, I don't know if this is very common because a lot of people knows the snail mucin on, but not everybody knows this hyaluronic cream, and it's so important if you have damaged skin barrier because this particular one is very soothing and hydrating. I tried it once and you guys mwah, love it. And also there is Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Neutrogena Hydro Boost cream. You guys, from the Hydro Boost, you didn't know that it's going to boost your hydration. This basically contains hyaluronic acid too and other lots of hydrating ingredients that is going to help suit your skin barrier, help repair it, help lock in moisture. Very important before we end this video is sunscreen. If your skin barrier is damaged, please ensure that you are using sunscreen in your routine. This is not the time to say, oh, I don't like sunscreen. I'm an advocate for sunscreen because I have seen sunscreen works. Like sunscreen just helps take your skin care game from 1 to 100 real fast if you are consistent. So this is not the time to be using SPF that they added to your cream. Like they say SPF 10, SPF 15. Please, that does not count as SPF because it's not working. Anything less than 30% SPF, it is very useless. Quote me everywhere. So always go for something that contains SPF 30 and above, and ensure that you are always reapplying your sunscreen because sun can also cause your skin to be irritated, especially if you have lots of active in your routine. We are using a lot of active ingredients like retinol, tretinoin, vitamin C, and you don't use sunscreen. It's like setting yourself up for damaged skin barrier, and you are not going to like your skin because your skin is going to be very irritated. It's going to be itchy, it's going to be red, it's going to be flaky, it's going to be dry. And I'm sure none of us wants that because it's so annoying. And imagine none of your products working, product that you work so hard to buy. Do you know what the economy is saying right now? So I feel like that is it for today's video. I hope this helps everybody out there. I hope this helps somebody out there that is currently dealing with damaged skin barrier because I am so susceptible to this. I love to go overboard with my acne treatment.